afternoon, Mirabel members. Here is your weekly construction update. The wall between the main hallway and our new wine room has been cut and framed in preparation for our new glass wine bottle display. Demolition has made significant progress in the fitness center. The stairs have been removed and the salon is being deconstructed to make way for Jenny's office. Footing installation continues at the back patio. The pickleball courts are taking shape. Concrete is scheduled to be poured this Tuesday early morning. A bobcat was spotted inspecting the handiwork of A.R. Mays. We will keep you posted on our progress. Be sure to log into the website and check out our live cameras.